Carrie has a bone.
I have a bone, and it's exhibiting gnaw marking. Somebody, some critter, has been chewing on this with teeth.
Oh, that's a femur, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like a deer bone, as big as it is.
Yeah.
Yep. First find of the spring goth walk.
A good find indeed.
Heck yeah.
A bone.
Yeah,
Doesn't get any more goths going hiking than that.
definitely. Maybe we'll find some deer antlers.
Maybe.
Be looking for
Oh yeah.
them. All right, walk on.
All right.
Oh, you little spring beauty. I think them ramps are going to be coming up soon. They might already be coming up.
What, the ramps?
Yeah.
Explain to the camera what ramps are.
Ramps are a wild onion garlic. And they look like a tulip leaf. But they're a real mild onion and then a garlic finish when you eat them. They're like a gourmet food.
Sounds tasty.
Yeah. You can only dig them out of the woods. They aren't commercially grown. It takes 7 years from seed to mature into a bulb where you can eat it.
Ah.
And they're really, really good. $25 a pound if you can find somebody to dig them for you.
Wow.
Yeah. Big money. Gourmet chefs love them.
Yeah. So that's what a ramp is. It's like a little bulb that you can eat. It's kind of oniony and kind of garlicky, and they grow in the woods. All right, let's continue on. What'd you find?
Plastic bag and ramps.
And ramps? All right, well, let's show the camera. Oh, wow.
Yes. Smell that. Taste it.
Oh, my God. It's pretty stinky.
Yeah.
It's got some heat to it.
Yeah. The leaves have more heat than the bulb does.
Oh, wow.
These are ramps. Right here. And this one has 3 leaves coming off the central stem. And you can always tell them because, like, generally they have this red color down here.
Oh, yeah, I see it. It's kind of like a purpley, like a wine red.
Yeah. I think we should dig a ramp if we can find something to dig with.
That's not going to work.
Ideally, when you dig them, it's best to bring a knife so you can cut them and leave the bottom of the root bulb in the ground.
So it'll grow more.
Right. So you're not killing the plant. Because like I said, you know, it takes 7 years. But if you leave that nice root crown, then it doesn't have to start from a seed again and build up. Can I get a picture of it?
I'm filming. Yeah. I'm filming because I'm like, I want to get this.
Can you see in the hole?
No, let me come over there. Hang on. Trying not to step on the wildflowers.
Yeah, it's hard because there's so many of them coming up. Okay. See, I've dug out down to here so far.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And keep looking.
Whoops. Here's another stick.
I really like using a screwdriver for this.
You know, they make these things called shovels.
Yeah, I know, but then you got to disturb the whole colony.
I don't know if you use like a little spade or something, just like a little one.
You don't want to do that. You want to leave as many intact. Just take the most mature ones.
Uh-huh.
And then that way you have a constant harvest.
Almost got her.
We're getting there.
It's deep down in there.
Oh yeah.
Nice and happy.
It's a ramp. $25 a pound in gourmet markets. If you can find them.
Very nice.
And the bulb is milder than the leaves are. I'm going to snip this off and stick it back in the ground.
Sounds like a good idea.
We've got big patches of them here, so I'm excited.
I'm excited too, because like this is cool to find something like this. It's like your own little mini crop.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I could sell them at farmers markets.
It's like a little garden. It's already framed in. See, there's a log over there, and there's a log over here. Your garden's framed in.
Yeah. You see some more of them coming up over here.
More of them?
More of them.
Damn. We are headed towards a waterfall.
That's the second fall of the waterfall right there. That bowl looking part.
I can't really get it from here. Oh no, wait, hang on. Oh, I see it now. Yeah. Carrie just found this. It is the skull of, what, a raccoon, a possum,
Yep.
maybe?
Yep.
Looks like it's kind of old.
Yep.
There's one tooth, and it's loose.
Hard to say where it washed down from with all this hard rain we've had and it was running so fast. It could have washed out from any of these nooks and crannies around here.
Oh, yeah. Huh.
Like where a mama had a den back in there or something and her baby died.
Something's been chewing on it.
I'm telling you.
It is a baby, because look, the suture in the back of the skull, like that's where the soft spot would have been.
Yep.
Notice how it's not fused?
Yep.
Yeah, that would have been the baby's cartilage. Yeah, it was a young one. And something's been chewing on it. There's chew marks. So.
Now we know why we don't find any antlers.
Yeah. I can't hear you.
I thought it was fun.
Yeah.
They're like gravel eyes.
Absolutely. Oh, the little flowers.
This is such good exercise for you because you got to do so much bending and moving.
Yep, it's true.